This video demonstrates the safe use of a food processor. Your school will probably have a few of these. Ensure that you are familiar with the food processors, particularly how to assemble and disassemble.
Ensure the bowl is secure. Pop in the blade you want to use. Be careful, the blade is sharp. Add the food to the bowl.
When placing food in the bowl, the food processor should not be plugged in or switched on. Pupils need to be careful placing the food in the bowl due to the sharp blades.
Next, secure the lid and click it into place. Plug in and switch on at the socket. Turn on the food processor for short blasts until you have the chopped size you want.
Remind pupils to pulse the food processor to chop the food rather than set it on continuous. This allows the pupils to monitor the chopping, stopping when the food is chopped to the right size.
Turn off and unplug at the socket. Remove the lid. Be careful when you remove the food from the processor.
Pupils need to dismantle the food processor carefully and clean its parts. The blade should not be left in the sink. Check your school policy for risk assessment, first aid and dealing with accidents. Ensure that you know and follow the school policy on dealing with and reporting any accidents, such as cuts and burns. Top tips. Become familiar with the food processors in your school, checking that the correct blades and lids fit. Check that food processors are not plugged in when pupils are placing in the blades, adding food or securing lids. Remind pupils to be careful using the food processor, including cleaning it after use.